Meaning of deckhand.
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 Deckhand. A deckhand is a member of a ship's crew who assists in the maintenance, operation and navigation of a vessel. Their responsibilities may include cleaning and maintaining the exterior of the ship, assisting with docking and undocking procedures, handling lines and rigging, and monitoring equipment. Deckhands may work on a variety of vessels, including commercial shipping vessels, fishing boats, and pleasure craft. They are typically entry-level positions requiring little experience or formal education, but can be physically demanding and require long hours. A deckhand plays an important role in ensuring the safe and efficient operation of the vessel.